Hey, what's up everybody? And today, we're diving deep into the world of wearable technology with the Sony SmartWatch 5. GadgetVox is back, bringing you the latest tech reviews, and this time, we're strapping on Sony's latest attempt to conquer your wrist. Smartwatches have become ubiquitous, with every major tech player vying for a piece of your wrist real estate. Sony, a brand synonymous with innovation, aims to stand out with the SmartWatch 5. But does it have what it takes to compete with the Apple Watches and Galaxy Watches of the world? We'll be taking a comprehensive look at its design, features, performance, and overall value proposition. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, as we dissect the Sony SmartWatch 5 and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get started. First impressions matter, and the Sony SmartWatch 5 makes a statement with its sleek and minimalist design. The watch boasts a circular AMOLED display that's both vibrant and sharp, making it easy to read notifications and navigate through menus. The watch's body is crafted from premium materials, giving it a solid and luxurious feel on the wrist. Sony understands that a smartwatch is as much a fashion accessory as it is a piece of technology, and the SmartWatch 5 reflects that understanding. The watch comes with a comfortable silicone band that can be easily swapped out for other options, allowing you to personalize your style. Overall, the Sony SmartWatch 5 is a visually appealing smartwatch that feels great to wear. Under the hood, the Sony SmartWatch 5 is powered by a capable processor that ensures smooth and responsive performance. Apps launch quickly, and navigating through the watch's interface is a breeze. Sony has opted for a near-stock version of Wear OS, Google's smartwatch operating system. This means you get a clean and intuitive software experience with access to a wide range of apps and watch faces from the Google Play Store. The watch also comes with NFC for contactless payments, GPS for accurate location tracking, and heart rate monitoring for fitness enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Sony SmartWatch 5 is its seamless integration with Android smartphones. Pairing is quick and easy, and you'll receive notifications, calls, and messages directly on your wrist. Section 4. Health and Fitness Tracking, your wellness companion. In today's health-conscious world, a smartwatch wouldn't be complete without robust fitness tracking capabilities. The Sony SmartWatch 5 rises to the occasion with a comprehensive suite of sensors that monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. The watch automatically tracks your steps taken, distance covered, and calories burned throughout the day, providing you with valuable insights into your daily activity. It also offers dedicated modes for various workouts, including running, swimming, and cycling. The Sony SmartWatch 5 goes beyond basic fitness tracking by providing you with personalized insights and recommendations based on your activity data. It can help you set goals, track your progress, and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Section 5. Battery life and charging, powering through your day. Battery life is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a smartwatch, and the Sony SmartWatch 5 doesn't disappoint. With typical usage, the watch can last for up to 2 days on a single charge, which is impressive for a smartwatch with such a vibrant display. Sony has also included fast charging capabilities, allowing you to top up the battery quickly when needed. A quick 10-minute charge can provide several hours of use, ensuring that you're never caught with a dead smartwatch. The included charging dock is compact and easy to use, making it convenient to charge the watch overnight or during short breaks throughout the day. Section 6. Conclusion. Is the Sony SmartWatch 5 right for you? The Sony SmartWatch 5 is a compelling smartwatch that excels in several areas. Its sleek design, vibrant display, smooth performance, and comprehensive fitness tracking capabilities make it a solid choice for consumers looking for a premium, wearable experience. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some of its competitors, it offers a well-rounded package that's sure to satisfy most users. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch in value, style, performance, and a seamless Android experience, the Sony SmartWatch 5 is definitely worth considering. As always, thanks for watching this GadgetVox review. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and news. Until next time, stay techy.